Holy shit, the $20 trick does work. Is it a trick though? I don't know. Is it? 62,313.
Yep. All right. So we're here at Mandalay Bay.
Mandalay Bay.
And we got an upgrade. And we got a penthouse suite, and this is us seeing it for the first time. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, for shit's sake, for an extra $50, this is what we got.
I guess we do have a fridge today. All right, so we have a living room. And I actually saw when we walked in, we passed a bathroom.
Oh, we got a second bathroom?
Yeah. Bathroom for when you need some privacy. Oh my goodness. Our own like kitchen situation. We have a sink. We have a fridge.
We have
Is that the
the
mini bar? Mini bar.
Oh shit, there's Modelo's.
It's Modelo time.
Enrique! Looking at you, bud. Anyways.
And then is this a fridge too? Oh,
Oh,
nice.
that's a nice looking fridge.
That's awesome. Oh my goodness. And a TV. Okay. We've got some sort of closet. Yep. This closet here. This room is crazy. How do you get the lights on here? Opening those shears. We got a TV here. Some chairs. We've got a view of the pool. And the beach. And the mountains. And the sign. Pinball Hall of Fame. It's very large. That's pinball. This room is crazy.
Floor to ceiling.
Sorry it's so dark in here. We've not found all the light switches yet. Where light switches don't work. Ooh. Oh my goodness. We have a fainting couch. More pool area. Oh man. Beach is open. McDonald's for the Kinos. God, this room is so big they might pop out of somewhere.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Are they in here? Kinos? Nope. We have full-length mirrors so you can check yourself before you hit the strip. We've got closets.
Oh, snap, the other rooms.
Oh man.
I'm not gonna
It just got extra fancy.
but we have
And then bathroom.
unbelievable. Front doors in a bathroom. Can you believe it? I can.
I believe it's French.
Oh, it's French.
French.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh my goodness. Hot tub situation or jetted tub. What all the fancy people call it. We got a shower.
And we got a separate pooping closet.
We have two pooping closets, really.
There is carpet here.
TV. Light up mirror. This is a hell of an area to get ready in, though. Aria, sorry. This is awesome.
There's a TV in the mirror.
Okay, so we did the $20 trick,
Oh, shit.
and it was an extra $50 a night to upgrade to this room, and then he took off our resort fees. So he said about $88 would come off. Oh god, there's a TV in the. Yeah, so he's taking off the resort fees, so it's like $20 extra for this room. And we actually booked the cheapest room they had. Pretty amazing. Sorry. Hey guys. Thanks for coming to our room tour of Mandalay Bay. Sorry about the bad lighting.
It's terrible lighting.
It is terrible lighting, but this room is pretty amazing.
Yeah.